planting seeds of knowledge. Battery Creek High School is celebrating Earth Day as agriculture students host a hands-on festival for local elementary students. The high school students are teaching second and third graders from 3 area schools why protecting the earth matters and how they can start making a difference now.
It's really important to get our kids to learn about Earth Day and care about it because we've only got one Earth and we've got to learn how to preserve it and keep it for our future generations and don't litter and all that kind of good stuff. So they're our future generation and that's what's going to be the future of all of our agriculture and all our Earth here. So the sooner we can get our youth educated, the better.
The agriculture students created an outdoor classroom, setting up 12 interactive stations, all focusing on hands-on learning.
We've got meet and greet the animals here. I've got a little baby duckling. We've got some chicks. We've got some baby bunnies. We've got to learn about animal fur. We're potting plants. We're doing seed bombs, which is you put a bunch of seeds in a little paper ball sort of, and then you let it dry, and then you'll throw it out on one of your nature walks, and you get a couple wildflowers that hopefully sprout.
Elementary students are having fun getting their hands dirty as they learn about the environment, from planting seeds to getting up close with animals. Each interactive station connects Earth Day lessons with real-world experiences.
My favorite activity was when we got to learn about the animal skins because it was fun to learn what they were and guess what the skin was to the animal.
My favorite is like the rabbit one. They're just so fluffy, and I also like the chicks and ducks. They're also really fluffy and they're just so cuddly.
This Earth Day festival is all about inspiring the next generation to protect and care for the earth.
We need to keep the earth clean because we live on it, and making something important to us dirty is not the right thing to do.
The earth, it's important, and you shouldn't litter and care about it.
More than 200 elementary students are taking part in the Earth Day festival. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.